So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. We decided to switch it up by going from long to short with this bob style. Got the nice blunt ends going there and curls. Look at all that body within this bob, the shine, the bounce. Beautiful head of hair. Moving on to transformation number 2. This one is from Crew Cuts. Oh, and she went platinum. Absolutely gorgeous. And she got a faded cut here with the line detailing, double line detailing there on the side. There is the before. There is the after. Absolutely beautiful. Now, a couple of years ago when Crew Cuts used to do these makeovers, platinum was like his signature look. Like just like Seth the Barber, he was hooking everybody up with the platinum. He would either do platinum, a taper cut, or red. And since then, we've definitely seen him do some other amazing styles, some pixies, some different color variations. But it is so nice to see him go back to his roots with this platinum faded cut style. She looks amazing. Ooh, next up we have this bob. This one ends just above the shoulders and she's got the flip under curl. This is super cute. And then we have another Bixie cut. So I just made another video previous to this one where I was talking about the Bixie and how it is one of the hottest trends for 2026. So I'm going to do a whole video showcasing this trend and just kind of showing you guys some different style variations that you might want to check out. Definitely taking over. Also, my friend, one of my besties, she loves rocking out the shorter style, so she might want to try this Bixie cut out this summer. Right now, she has a bob. And then we leave off the video with this platinum pixie. And, you know, we saw the platinum pixie, like, take over in popularity like a few years ago. I mean, it has not died down. It kind of slowed down a little tiny bit, but I definitely feel like it's picking up even more. Like, it is definitely trending again. So if you have been wanting to try the platinum color out, definitely do it. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.